This is another video about the MSS library. In this one, we are going to run the benchmark test. It is also available in the official documentation. This code compares between two libraries, the MSS library and the Pillow library. There are two functions. The first one, screen code, will benchmark or will test the Pillow library. So this is the screenshots taken in 1 second and the number of screenshots taken, and the OpenCV library is also used here. You have to install two more libraries: the OpenCV Python library by pip install OpenCV Python, and the Pillow library open pip install Pillow. I also installed the temp color library because I'm going to use it to print the benchmark values in colors. If the benchmark value is greater than the other one, it will be printed on green. In the other case, it will be printed on red. So I'm going to run the test. So it will take screenshots for 1 second using Pillow, and then for 1 second also using MSS, and then compare the results. You can see with Pillow 5 frames per second, for MSS 18 frames per second. Again, so I'm going to repeat the test several times. So clearly MSS always return a better value. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.